Hi, my name is Carl. I specialize in outbound and inbound sales as well as appointment setting for US-based companies as a virtual assistant. I have 3 years of experience working with clients across different industries like insurance, legal, and helping businesses grow as a senior operations manager for 2 years. I also have an extensive years of experience as a fronter, generating quality leads, booking appointments, and transferring calls to our onshore agents in the US. I'm skilled in using CRM tools, managing pipelines, and crafting persuasive conversations to our customers because I also have an experience working as a sales agent in the insurance industry for 10 years before joining the virtual world. If you're looking for someone reliable, goal-oriented, seasoned, and customer-focused to represent your business, I would love to be part of your team. I'm currently connected with Virtual Buddy, an agency in Upwork, whose job is to promote and help succeed businesses grow in no time. And I'm looking forward to working with you soon. Thank you.